If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat login error, something went wrong problem, you've come to the right place. So firstly, I'd like to open the Snapchat, and as you can see, everything is working. I can easily interact with Snapchat. So how can you do the same? The steps are quite simple. Firstly, we need to open App Store or Google Play, depends on your mobile device. And here in the search bar, search for Snapchat. We need to open an official app page inside of the app. And then make sure that you have the latest version, so you may have the open button instead of update or upgrade. So if you have the update button, click on it and then just download the latest version. So after that, we need to open settings, and from this page here, simply go to general, or on the Android, you may go to the storage. So here, click on iPhone storage. And in a few seconds, all the data will be automatically uploaded. And now we need to scroll down to find a Snapchat inside of this list. So click on it. And then as you can see, we have two options, offload app or delete. And here we need to click on offload. So after that, this app will be successfully offloaded and we need to reinstall it. So we'll have the same button right up here. Click on reinstall. And after that, your problem will be automatically solved. If it's not, delete the app and reinstall it once more. After that, you'll be able to use Snapchat for 100%. So this is a way of how can we fix this problem on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.